How to delete a message on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a message on Discord mobile. First go to Discord and then let's type something like hi, and now all you need to do is just hold on the message and then click this one, delete, and then click delete. Let's try to delete another message like test. Hold the message and then click delete message. As you see, the message has been deleted, and that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.